They came to Washington from around the world. Finance ministers meeting at the World Bank and International Monetary Fund, looking for a cure to an ailing global economy. They found agreement on broad principles, but markets may demand something extraordinary, real action, like a U.S. plan to purchase stocks of banks to unlock lending. Leaders heard appeals from Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson, who said nations that remain secluded, only thinking about themselves, could worsen the spreading financial crisis. President Bush showed up in the Rose Garden with leaders from leading industrialized nations.
All of us recognize that this is a serious global crisis and therefore requires a serious global response.
Later, Bush made an unscheduled stop at a larger meeting of nations, staying for about 25 minutes. Markets worldwide are suffering a credit freeze brought on by bad mortgage debt in the United States. The fear now, woes of rich nations trickling down to poor countries, hit by rising prices for fuel and food. Nations gathered here in unity, pledging to fix the economic breakdown together. But doing that will be difficult because no two nations are in the same economic spot. There are different currencies, varying levels of government involvement. Leaders at the World Bank promise protection for the most vulnerable nations.
This has been a man-made catastrophe. The actions and responses to overcome it lie in all our hands.
Now, investors have their say on what happened or did not happen here. Soon enough, starting early Monday morning with markets in Asia. Lee Powell, The Associated Press, Washington.